throw. Wow.
Hi guys, you're watching Further Fishing Adventure. We four come to the lake and we try to get some 10 fish. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Did you catch any fish, Fadal? No?
Yeah.
Today is a good weather for fishing or no? Okay, this is the river, yeah? Did you catch any fish from here before or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the lake.
Hi guys, we are fishing at the river today and we still try to catch some. It is a good weather, but at the moment we not catch any fish yet. We try to catch some fish. And, looks like you're catching something.
Okay.
Can you bring it? If it is not, then we will need to go home.
It's a
Come on,
fish.
look.
It's a fish.
It's a fish? Check it.
Fish.
Did you catch anything today?
I catch 15 fish.
No, you not catch anything today.
I
If
did.
there is no anything, then we need to go home.
This time
Okay?
I got some.
No, you not catch anything. Yeah,
I got. I get some fish.
you not catch anything. Okay. Okay, no worries. We need to go home. Yeah.
And we need to eat that.
No, there is a small fish. Okay. And say your follower.
Okay, I'm going to vomit home.
We're going home.